Are you looking to add a few PoE devices to your existing network? Then the GPOE-4A Midspan Injector Kit just might be where you're looking for. Keep on watching to find out why. Whether you're powering up a security camera, an IP phone, or a Wi-Fi access point, the GPOE-4A is a great plug-and-play, easy-to-use option for any PoE install. I'll go over the product specs in more detail at the end of the video, but let me start by breaking down the necessary connections and some basic tech info.
Both the power supply and the injector have an LED indicator to let you know that power is available. Because this is a midspan injector, each PoE port has its own corresponding LAN port for input data. What this means is that if you want power and data out to all of your devices, you will need 4 available ports on your network switch. The GPOE-4A is a passive injector, so power is always on and there is no auto-negotiating. This is a Mode A injector only, so power is sent on pins -1, 2, +3, 6. The power supply that comes in this kit is 48 volts 1 amp. So the power that's being supplied to your end device via PoE is 48 volts. With this correct connection, you should have 4 cables bringing in data to the injector and 4 cables providing power and data out at 48 volts to your PoE devices. This injector comes with a fuse limit of 650 milliamps per port and passes through up to gigabit data speeds. It has 2 wall mounting tabs on either end and has a temperature rating of -10 to 60 degrees Celsius. Each RJ45 port is shielded and the overall power budget for this kit is 48 watts.
That does it for today, everyone, but thank you so much for watching. Remember, if you enjoyed this video, you can let us know by giving it a thumbs up, and if you didn't like it, then that's okay too. Just let us know in the comments what you'd rather see. You can find all of our social pages in the description box. We're active on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn. These pages do have different content than this YouTube channel, so go check them out and let us know what you think. See y'all next time.